Hello.
Today we're going to make a volcano. We're going to do some kind of an experiment. For the volcano we're going to need 2 cups of water. We're going to mix it all in a very big bucket, as I don't think we have enough on just the normal bowl. For that we're going to need 2 cups of salt. Going to help Daddy with the salt?
Good salt, yeah. Wow.
Well done. You're going to put it in there?
You're so strong already, yeah?
Well done.
Wow.
And another cup. One more.
Yeah. 2 cups, yeah?
2 cups of salt.
Very nice. Wow.
Well done. We're going to need 6 cups of flour.
6 cups flour.
Just a minute. Oh, Adriaan, almost. It's not filled up yet. 1.
Yeah. 2.
2.
Wow. All right, yeah?
Put it in there. Come
Yeah. Ups.
2.
2. Adriaan, yeah? Put on table? No. You want to do it on your way, yeah? No.
Mommy, help?
No. You're so strong, yeah? You're all right. Wow.
3.
You want to do it on your own, yeah? Everything, yeah?
Well done.
4. Wow, 4. Wow, it's so good cook, yeah? Oh, everything outside.
4.
4, yeah? 5. And 1 more, yeah? And 6. Daddy put a little bit extra, yeah? Was 1/2 cup.
6 cups of flour. There we are.
No more, it's all done.
After it's all in there, we need to mix it.
Now we mix. You want to help mommy mix? Yeah.
We just still need 4 big tablespoons of oil, of cooking oil. Adriaan wants to help.
1.
1.
Wait. Wow, very nice. Yeah. More. 2.
2.
Very nice. 3.
3. 1 more.
1 more. Put under bucket.
4. Well done. That's enough.
Very nice.
When it's all mixed properly, we're going to have a very strong, hard dough. So, when that is done, we already made this ready. Very simple, just a normal bottle with everything around it. But now we're going to put the dough around it. Hopefully we're going to have enough, else we need to make some extra.
Yeah, mommy has lots of more.
Just
Yeah?
going to form it already a bit to make it a bit easier to put around. So. Needs to be put around properly around the bottle. Just make sure when you do it, you put a back around the bottle just to make sure that it's not going to be all sticky and that there's no dough is going to come in the bottle. So after we make the first start of the volcano, we now have to let it dry Make sure that the dough is going to be all hot. And when that's all done, then we can start painting. We can give the volcano a colour.
Yeah, we do it paint later, yeah? Very nice.
So, that's the first start of the volcano.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure how long it takes to dry, so we will see, but we will let you know when it's dry how long it has been drying. So the volcano is as dry as possible. Now we're going to let Adriaan paint it a bit.
Yeah. It's like brown, yeah? Now you hold your plate, yeah? Yeah. Oh, very nice, yeah? Wow. Very nice, yeah? Mommy help you a little bit? Nice, yeah? Wow. Yeah. You like painting, yeah? Yeah. Vulcano, yeah? Nice. Can be nice after you finish, yeah? Yeah.
After finished painting, it's going to look like this. So it looks very nice, like a real volcano. And Adriaan is painting his own painting because he thought he wasn't finished yet. So, we have the volcano ready. We already put water in there. So now we're going to put some baking soda in there. Trying to get that carefully in there. Carefully? You going to help Mummy? Oh, goes a little bit next to it, but doesn't really matter. Bit more. It says 2 big spoons of baking soda, so we're just going to put a little bit more in there. After that is done, we're going to try to put some vinegar in there and see if it all works. Let's give it a try.
Adriaan, help.
Hold on.
Wow, volcano is going out, yeah? Wow.
You see that? Wow. Yeah.
Volcano, yeah?
Look at that. Oh, the volcano came all out, and then we're going to say we're going to see you again. Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.